Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making fruit salad for this wonderful summer sunny weather. So I'll be getting out all the things that I need for this, and my son will be introducing the fruits for you guys. So stay tuned.
Watermelon or apricot, banana, mango, apple, para, or blueberry, druva, or pineapple, or
Because he introduced some of these in the Norwegian language, so I will be going on again to tell you what I have here. So over here I have some apricots, some banana, blueberry, pineapple, strawberries, grapes, watermelon, mango, apple, and pear inside here. But you have to use your preferable fruits, any fruit of your choice. It's not a must you use the kind of fruits that I use. You can even put avocado. So I'll be using this vanilla sauce, lactose free, to eat it or to serve it. But you can use condensed milk. Some people use condensed milk, and this is also how you can use this vanilla sauce or vanilla cream. You can even use it to make pina colada. So for the nuts, I will be using peanuts, which is also known as groundnuts, and cashew nuts. But you don't need to use nuts if you're not allergic. So I will be adding the fruits portion by portion. I will not add everything once. I will portion it into two, and I will layer it so that I make sure that each scoop I will have everything inside my spoon. That's why I also cut it tiny shapes like this. So I will just layer everything just like so. Then after that, I will repeat the process, adding the things that I've added earlier. Make sure you spread it out so that one scoop you will take everything with you. Please, if you're still watching up to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up and also share my video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are so amazing. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. This is best enjoy when it is cold. So for serving, I will just add some cream and some nuts, just like so. More cream, and voila, it is ready. This first scoop is for you guys. Come and join me. I don't want to mix everything inside that big bowl and put in the fridge so that it doesn't go soggy. So I just be taking it out as we eat it, just like so. But if you're sure you're finishing everything once, you can mix everything once. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next one.